Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem that your mouse cursor is going opposite direction. So let's start the video. I'm going to show you a 3 steps how to fix the problem. If the first step is not fixing the problem, you can follow second and third. So watch the full video. Now first of all, go to the search option. Here type CMD. This is the command prompt, and right click it here and select run as administrator, then select yes. And here you have to put a command that is hardware and device troubleshoot. The command is this one. I'm going to provide it to the description, so you can copy and paste and just paste it to the command prompt and select enter. As you can see, troubleshoot and problem prevent the computer problems, and select next here. And as you can see, it is detecting the problems. It will take a few seconds to detecting the problems and solve them. You have to wait for it. And after the scanning is finished, just close the window and restart your PC and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still there, now go to the start button and right click it here and select device manager. You can see this option. Select it. And this window will pop up. Here find this option, mice and other pointing device, and expand this option. And now under this you have to update all the drivers. Right click it and select update driver and select search automatically for the drivers and close. Do all the same for all this, and then all you have to do is restart your PC and check if the problem is solved or not. And if this doesn't help, now do the same thing, update driver. And now instead of selecting this, just select browse my computer for drivers and select next. It will automatically install the base drivers from your PC. So do the same thing for those two also, and then restart your PC and see if this fixes your problem or not. And the third and final method is to solve this problem. I'll go to the search option here and search control panel. This is the option. Open it. And here on the search button, search option, you can search mouse. Here is the mouse option and click it to open. And this window will pop up, and here you can see pointer option. Just click the option and now select this display pointer trails, and also make sure to select the hide pointers while typing and drag this long and make it short, all the way short, and then click apply and click OK. And after that, restart your PC and see if your problem is solved or not. I hope these 3 methods will fix your problem, and if this helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial.